Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Miftah Nurjanah from Class C English Education Department 2018 Teaching Training Faculty UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. So this video I meant to complete my middle test in language teaching media course. So media I use our board game and dice, and then the topic is about there are, and then the level or class for seven class in junior high school. I will explain a little bit about this media. So board games are traditionally a subset of tabletop game that involve counters or piece move or placed on a pre-marked surface or board according to a set of rules. So there are many varieties of board game. The rules can range from the very simple to deeply complex. The time required to play a game varies greatly from game to game, but is not necessarily correlated with the number of complexity of rules. Alright, I will show you my board game. So this is about what is that in the blah 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 about there is or there are. I will show the clear board game, this. Okay, and then we have to use dice. This is a dice that I made. So I will explain how to play board game in the classroom. Alright, the first is the teacher divides the student into a small group with a maximum of 4 until 5 students in each group, and then the teacher share a board game and dice to each student's groups, and then after that the teacher explains about the board game and dice, the rules and how to play it. For example, attention please students, this is a board and this is a dice. So I want you guys to use our lesson yesterday about there is and there are to play this game. So before that, I will explain the rules. Okay, the first, put the board game on your table and then decide who the first player and next player through the dice, then see how much the result are. For example, 3 or okay, alright, the 3, then you pass the space on the board game according to the calculation of the dice you can. So the calculating start from the house, the house picture until the garden picture in the middle. So if you have arrived at one place, for example, in the zoo, so you must mention what is there in the zoo. Okay, I will give you example. Example, if you arrive in this zoo, so you have to start with sentence in the zoo, there are lion, monkey, and the other animals. Or if you arrive in what? In the sky. In the sky. There is a sun, like that. So while one player is speaking, the other player should be listening carefully, because you are responsible for remembering the response that were given on each of the space. If a player attempts to repeat, the other players need to recognize the repetition and not accept the response. Okay, you can play it now. Okay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is there? So in the school, there is a class. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the supermarket, there are vegetable, snack, meat, eggs, and etc. And then, as long as the student play, teacher can get around and pay attention to each other. Offer help if they find difficult. Okay, that's all. I hope my video can help or inspire and can you use to teach fun English in your class. Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.